What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm MakeupPixie. I make makeup videos. So if you're into all things makeup, consider subscribing. So I'm bringing you guys some date night glam in honor of the biggest date night of the year. I am using the Lime Crime Pocket Candy Pink Lemonade eyeshadow palette. And this palette is the cutest thing ever. This color that I have on my lid is called Strawberry. And it is a cute hot pink with pink glitter in it. I mean, like, look at that. Look at that shimmer. It is so cute and the consistency is so smooth. I was shocked. So if you guys want to see how I use this palette to create this look, just keep on watching. Using the Lime Crime Pocket Candy eyeshadow palette, and this one is in the pink lemonade. I got this for Christmas. My sister gave it to me, and when I saw the colors, I was like, ew, you know what I'm gonna use that for? Valentine's Day. Check out these colors. They are so pretty. Like, look at this hot pink one. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah. Oh man, so cool. Let's go ahead and swatch that real quick. So pretty. Ew, I love the glitter in it. It is so cute, and the consistency is pretty smooth. But we're not here for a review, we're here for the look. So I'm gonna be starting off with this color. This is Brown Sugar, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. So I'm gonna put that in the crease and a little bit above it. So you guys excited for Valentine's Day? I don't really have plans because both me and my boyfriend work, and we work a late shift tomorrow. Well, I work like all day. I'm like at work from like 8 to 8, so it kind of kills it. So we're actually going to do our dinner over the weekend because, like I said, we both work, so you know, it kind of sucks. Unfortunately, Valentine's Day landed on a bad day for both of us, but nonetheless, you know, the weekend should be fun. With a clean crease brush, I'm going to grab this color, which is Baby Cake, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer corner of the eye, just here. And I'm going to start subtle, but we are going to build this up because why not? So now I'm going to go ahead and grab some more concealer, and I'm going to clean up my lid. That way the color Strawberry, the hot pink, really pops out. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my favorite color out of this palette, which is Strawberry, this nice hot pink, and it has like pink glitter in it. I'm going to go ahead and grab that on a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to press it on to where I put the concealer. So I just dabbed it on with my finger. I'm just pressing it onto the lid, and that definitely made a big difference as opposed to applying it with the brush. You can definitely see the shimmer in it, the pink glitter. Now that we're all on the same page, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face because I personally don't like to do my wing until I'm like done, like until I'm baking. And don't ask me why, but it's just like it's like a habit. I don't know, I'm just like used to it. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation, and this is in Cafe. I will tell you this is a shade lighter than I am. My body is like full tan. I need to go and get matched, but for right now, we're just gonna use this, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I'm gonna grab a pump, and I'm gonna put this in the back of my hand. With my finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and do spot treatments. So is anyone else stuck working on the grand Valentine's Day? Anybody else have my luck? If so, do tell me. How do you feel about making it up on the weekends? I personally, I mean, I don't care. You know, the gesture is a gesture. You know, some things can't be helped. If you work, you work. You know, at the end of the day, you're still spending time with that special someone. So me and my babe will have a great weekend together and go out to dinner and just chill. Here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my First Aid Beauty Concealer again, and we're going to go ahead and put this on the bottom on my under eye. We're going to clean up that shadow. And we're going to get the chin here, the nose here, and the top of the forehead. Well, not the top of the forehead, but my forehead. Now I usually use powder for contouring, like on a regular basis, but when it is date night, I like to go a little extra. So we're gonna grab the Pixie by Petra, the Multi-Balm Sheer Sculpt. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on the hollow, in the hollow of my cheeks. The universal contouring face. And let's go ahead and blend, blend, blend. Let's go ahead and set this under eye concealer. Again with my Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. And where's my, oh, here we go. And I'm just gonna grab that with my beauty blender, and now I can go ahead and do my wing. I don't know what it is. I just can't do it before I do this. I don't know what it is. I just can't. It's just
yeah, sorry guys, my camera stopped recording, so I didn't get to film the wing, but let's move on to the lashes.
So for lashes, I am using the PUR Cosmetics Pro eyelashes in a Bombshell. I think this was their collab with Moavi, if I'm saying that right. Moavi. Yes, this is the and the first thing you want to do when you grab new lashes, you're going to want to grab them by both ends and kind of just do like a twisty, like not a twisty, but like a bendy motion to give them their shape. I am so digging these lashes. I mean, so while I let that sink in and dry up nice and good, I'm going to go ahead and contour and do the rest of my face. For contour, I'm going to grab my PUR Sculptor palette. And I'm going to grab the more chocolatey color on here, which is this brown, and it has more of a warm undertone. And I'm going to use that to just bronze up the face and give it some color. And I'm going to pull it up and bring that into the forehead. Move this hair. Now I'm going to blush it up, and we're going to grab our Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay blush in the color Achiote, and I'm just trying to open it. I'm telling you, I'm like the worst with opening things. And I'm going to grab that on a little brush. Let's see what it is. Okay, and we're just going to grab some of that and put it on the apples of our cheeks. Okay, so now on a short shader brush, I'm going to grab that color Baby Cake, and I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. So for lips, I have 3 different colors that I cannot figure out which one I'm going to use, because they're all so pretty, they all go, and I really want a pink tone for this look. So I have here from Urban Decay, I have Obsessed, I have Fiend, and I have Turn On. So I don't know, let's see. Actually, you know what? I think I just got it. I think I'm gonna use Fiend. But first, we're gonna have to line the lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a lip liner from Sephora, the Sephora collection. This is called This is called Rosewood. So we're gonna grab Rosewood and we're gonna head and line the lips. Now let's go ahead and grab Fiend. Yeah, I think Fiend is the way to go. Don't ask me why, but I just have the feeling. So let's see. Yeah, I think this is it. And now, last but definitely not least, my favorite part of all, highlighter time. You ready for this? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the PUR Sculptor palette again, and I'm going to use this color here, which has more of a pearly goldish tone. And we're just going to go ahead and highlight till my hand falls off. And we're gonna go ahead and bring that all the way front because I like it when you're looking directly at me, you're like, ooh, that light though. So I'm going to grab a very small, I want to call this like a pencil brush. It's from Luxe. And I'm going to grab that same highlight color and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of the eye to brighten up this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I invite you to follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day. Till the next video.